Hey guys, this is Apple Gamer 24/7. I got a quick unboxing today of the Western Digital 1 TB external hard drive. This is a USB 2.0 FireWire and eSATA external hard drive that I'm gonna use to back up the Mac so I can upgrade the Snow Leopard in September, and that way I don't have to start over too much. So this is basically the box. On top of this tells you how many it can hold 444 movies, 25,000 or a million songs, and a lot of pictures. And as you can see, it works with Windows, USB, Mac, FireWire, eSATA, and USB. So let's get started. And I got this at Costco, which is a big box retailer, when I was visiting some family this past weekend. So, and I bought the hard drive for $135.99. So basically, this is just what you get. Let me just take a look. You get this little cardboard tray. Here, let's take the drive out. And I think this comes with cables, but I just put the box on the floor. And all that's left in there is the manual and stuff. So let me just put the drive here. Move the tripod. Alright, this is what you get. The drive is right here. So I'm just gonna take the little cardboard things off. And here's the 1 TB drive right here. Just take that out later. Power supply. This looks like FireWire 400 and USB. Or this is eSATA, I'm not sure. But so yeah, that's basically about this. I'm planning to use FireWire 400 since it's the fastest, since I don't have eSATA. But yeah, I'm just gonna take the drive out. Let's get my scissors. Ooh, all right. Now, I am eventually gonna buy a 500 gig drive to use as a storage for apps, but this is directly for Mac OS's Time Machine. So here's the drive here. It's a pretty nice drive. It has a matte finish. There's a little LED light here that tells you if the drive's on or not. And when you move it to the back, you get let me just take a look. Turn the light out. You get a number of ports. You get 2 FireWires. This looks like eSATA and USB and power. So that's basically about it. I'm not gonna do a video how to format or anything. If you guys want to learn how to search YouTube. But anyway, guys, this is the unboxing of the Western Digital 1 TB drive. This video won't be uploaded until Sunday or Monday, whatever day you're viewing this. But anyway, guys, I'll see you in my next video.